Hi, I'm Udi Tirosh with DIYPhotography.net here at IBC 2022. I'm here with Jason at the B&H booth.
DIY Photography's coverage of IBC 2022 is sponsored by Sennheiser, the future of audio, Sachtler, producer of professional tripods, and B&H, the professional source.
And Jason, I have to ask,
Yeah.
B&H is in the US.
Right.
Why are you guys even at a European show?
Okay, well, B&H is an industry leader, of course, and being here in Europe, one of the things that we're here to do is to let people know about our shipping. We cover all of the expenses up front for you to make it really simple and easy. So we already have it set up where it's easy for our customers to be able to bring stuff over from the US. And we carry so many products, there's going to be a lot of things that we have that might be hard to get here, and we certainly have a lot of stock. So there's certainly a few reasons that we're here. And also, we really want to promote our business-to-business sales and talk about some of those things where it's a little bit more of an easy relationship for us to deal with the international aspects.
Right. So with regards to shipping, obviously we don't have access here in Europe to the mega store. So how is that being handled, time-wise?
Sure, awesome. Well, all of our stuff ships out of our warehouse. We have a very large warehouse in New Jersey. And essentially, depending on where we're shipping to in Europe, we work with DHL and other companies to get things here as quickly as we can. And all I can really say is that we will get it here as quickly as is possible for us to do.
When you say big warehouse in Jersey, like how big is big?
I mean, Amazon would be like, your warehouse is big. That's how big.
Nice.
It's a big warehouse. I've been in there myself, and they have, I've never seen anything like it. We have we have an extraordinarily large amount of SKUs in our inventory.
And do you stock everything, or how does it work?
So that's one thing that makes us a little different than some of our competitors, is that we are able to stock a lot of the stuff. So generally speaking, we want to have a consistent supply of product for our customers. Whereas out here, it might be a little bit harder to get certain things. So, yes, it might wind up being ultimately more expensive in some scenarios to purchase from us, but we have the products, and that's a big part of what I think is great about B&H, and the support, and the other thing about it too that I think is great is that, anything that you get from us, you can, we have amazing customer service, we'll support the product, we'll support you, and I don't think that everybody out here can necessarily say that. That we have relationships with Canon and Sony and Nikon and all of the other companies that are really big players in the industry, and those relationships enable us to help our customers, take care of our customers, and give them the support they need.
So Jason, before we wrap up, I know that this next year is a big year for B&H. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, it's our 50th anniversary coming up. So B&H has been around since 1973. B&H actually started as a photographic film company, just selling photographic film. And what really set us apart, I think, from a lot of other companies at the time, is that our founder, his philosophy was that if a customer comes in and asks for a certain film stock, we're going to find it. We're going to get it for you. Our company's not built on commission. When we tell you things, we tell you from an honest place. And I think it's that honesty, integrity, and ethics that set B&H apart. And for 50 years, we've been serving our customers, and they've been coming back.
That's slightly older than I am.
I'm almost there myself, so it's quite impressive, and I think that it says a lot about how important it is to be an ethical and honest business and to treat people with respect. And it's out of that respect that I think a lot of people come back to us and continue to make purchases with us.
Jason, thank you so much. Are you flying back to the States? When are you wrapping up here?
Well, I'll be wrapping up here shortly. I'm going to take a little bit of a sojourn into Paris, France myself, or Paris in France. So, but otherwise, we'll be back shortly. So yeah.
Udi here from the IBC 2022 floor. We're wrapping up. B&H are actually giving out a couple of great lights in our giveaway. So I'm going to leave the link to that in the description below, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.